Next, what I need to do is create a metadata template to use. So I'm going to close this window, come over to Create, and I'm going to create a template. I'll call it Phenotyping 3. This is the template. So metadata, we will create the metadata attributes that we want to use by adding them to the list here. Just click the Add button. Let's make the first one the annotator's name. And I'm going to leave that as a string value, so that'll create a text box that the annotator can type their name into. Let's add another one and call it Kingdom. This time I want to control what the options are, so I'm going to make this, I want a drop-down menu. In BisQue parlance, I need to use a combo box, and I'll enter some values into that menu in a minute. Let's add a couple more attributes to our metadata template. Color, since that's what we're studying. And again, I want to control those values, so I'm going to use a combo box to create a drop-down menu. Let's add one more. Let's say I might want to provide a link to a publication about the image. In this case, we'll just use Wikipedia as the authoritative source. You probably publish in more prestigious journals. All right, so the next thing that I need to do is to put some values into these combo boxes. So if I select the row for Kingdom, over on the left or right, if I choose the Select row, it says enter a comma separated list of values. So I will enter animal and plant. All right. Then for color, again, I want to enter some values. I've got a little bit longer list, so I'm going to just paste those values in. There we go. All right. I need to save the metadata template. And now this Phenotyping 3 template is ready to use. So let's browse back to the data set that we uploaded, Phenotyping 3. And I will annotate the first image. I forgot to show you how to share the template, but you do it the same way that you share a data set. So on this image, there, under the Annotations tab in the image browser, there are already a couple of pieces of metadata that are automatically applied by BisQue. It extracts the file name from the image, and it applies a timestamp for when, based on when the image was uploaded. So to apply the template that I just created, I need to, again, in the Annotations tab, go to Import from Template and select the template Phenotyping 3. So it adds the attributes from that template to this image, and now I can use it to annotate the image. This is a plant. color is, where'd blue go? There we go. And I will add a link here. Just gotta copy this. All right, and what's nice about having a link to ideally one of your publications or other information about the image is anyone else who's looking at the image can just click on the link and go right to that additional information. So that's a handy feature that BisQue supports. So I've finished